Hello, my name is Kevin McCowan. I am with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. The American Academy of Spine Physicians, AASP, an organization committed to promoting excellence in spine care through education, innovation, and the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress, F4CP, a not-for-profit organization dedicated to increasing public awareness about chiropractic care and collaboration, have partnered to enhance the role and recognition of doctors of chiropractic in spine care. All members of the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress are eligible to become free directory level members with the Academy. If you have received a user ID and PIN number from the Academy, you are now considered a directory member with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. We encourage all members of the F4CP take advantage of this free opportunity and to visit the homepage of the Academy at www.spinephysicians.org. On the homepage, there are many useful tools. On the navigation bar, here you can access pull-down menus. The e-news archive has over 300 articles which you can access. There's a button, a yellow button, which takes you to the 26 reasons to join, of which you have access to if you upgrade your directory member status to full member status with the AASP. If you have received your user ID and PIN number, you can log in here with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to your personal ASP member dashboard. As an example, I have signed into the member profile of Dr. Sherry McAllister, the Executive Vice President of the F4CP. On the member dashboard, there is a button titled F4CP Members. Click on the button to access a subset of free benefits as a directory level member. One of the most important benefits is your full page profile in the International Directory of Spine Care Professionals, which is an official online directory of the AASP. Make sure to complete all of your profile fields. As an example, I will show you Dr. McAllister's profile fields. You can log in and update your profile at any time. The directory profile categories include the degree, professional introduction, practice emphasis, practice type and location, education and training, credentials and certifications, appointments and positions, languages spoken, contact information, personal information, and practice information. The directory is also hierarchical. The user can target their search through the use of different categories such as country, state, city, specialty, credentials, name, and zip code. If we click on Dr. David Durant, one of our ASP Council members, it will take you to his full page profile. His profile acknowledges that he is a diplomate with the ASP as well as a fellow with the American College of Spine Physicians. Full members of the Academy can access continuing education opportunities and pursue a credential status. Now let's go back to the dashboard. The Academy offers all free directory members the opportunity to upgrade to full member status for the first year of membership at approximately 50% off. The regular membership is $295 per year. For $150, you have an unprecedented opportunity to access all of the member benefits. In addition to normal member benefits, as a dual member of the ASP and F4CP, you also have access to a special public relations toolkit developed by the F4CP and the ASP. To access the toolkit resources, click on the button entitled Public Relations Toolkit. This will give you access to downloadable brochures, one titled Primary Spine Care and the other Cooperative Spine Care, to a PowerPoint slide presentation with approximately 75 slides. As well as an infographic that can be used for patient education, a personalized press release, an action step guide to address how to use the public relations toolkit. We are excited about this new relationship. We encourage you to complete your online directory profile, access your free resources, and upgrade to full AASP member status. Visit our website at www.spinephysicians.org. Email us at aasp@spinephysicians.org. Thank you.